Now, Jamaica College old boy Michael Ashenheim says he was surprised to learn that athletes at the Old Hope Road-based institution were still training on grass following the official groundbreaking for their synthetic track recently. The Ashenheim family recently donated $100 million to be used in the installment of an 8-lane track at Jamaica College.
When I was at JC, I was running on grass. And sometimes your foot slip and, and it's not the right surface. And nowadays, you're not going, Jamaica College will never compete properly at boys' champs, at the Commonwealth Games, at the Olympics, with a grass track. You can't train the guys. These guys can't have the opportunity on a grass track.
Jamaica College principal Wayne Robinson was at a loss for words and asked to describe the gesture made by the Ashenheim family.
Words can't describe how grateful we are to the Ashenheim family that one family has come and funded the complex is something very special, but that the Ashenheims have done it and have left their name embedded in the history of Jamaica College is exceptional, and we can't again describe that, how grateful we are.
Now, once the facility is completed, Jamaica College will be the third school with a synthetic track on its premises, joining Kingston College and Calabar High.